Hey guys, it's Michaela. Today I'm going to be doing an extreme closet clean out. I have needed to clean out my closet for so long. I literally have not cleaned it out since 6th grade, so that's like 5 years. There's just a lot of clothes that I don't wear and I just don't really love that much, and I want my closet to be full of items that I really love and that I actually do wear. I'm gonna be decluttering, giving away, donating, trying to sell, kind of all that stuff. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be taking out all of my t-shirts over here and just putting them on the floor, and then I'm going to be reorganizing them into 3 different piles. So this is what we're dealing with right now. There's literally so many t-shirts and just clothes, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna have a sell pile, a donate pile, so either like to a shelter like friends and family, and then a keep pile. So sell, donate, keep. Okay, so I started doing this and it's literally so hard. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna get through this because I'm so indecisive. The first one I have, I literally don't know what pile to put this in because like I have so many memories attached to this shirt, but it doesn't really fit me that much anymore. I feel like this is too old to sell, so I think I'm just gonna donate it. This shirt I never wear. It's from like the actual NASA space station, which is cool, but their merch just isn't it. Like, they don't really know how to do their thing. I think I'm just gonna donate it to like my mom or something. So. Oh my gosh, this old navy shirt does have like some memories, but I don't really like wearing it, so I think I'm just going to donate these. So I just divided all the t-shirts into 3 different piles. This was kind of hard and like, I don't know, because I have so many like memories attached to these shirts because like I've said, I haven't cleaned up my closet for 5 years, so there's a lot of memories in there. The keep pile is looking pretty large right now, but I feel like I did good. I got rid of a nice amount. Okay, so this is my sell pile. There's quite a few t-shirts in there and stuff. This is my keep pile. It looks so big, but okay, yeah, maybe it is really big. It's huge, yeah, but it's just like t-shirts and sweaters. And then this is the donate pile. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. Okay, so the next section I'm going to be doing is this like pants, leggings / dresses section, and I'm just gonna be taking those all out, laying them out, and putting them in the piles like I did before. Okay, so this is what we have for that side. It is pretty thick so far. This is gonna be a little bit tough because I need to be flexible. Like, there's some stuff that I know I'm not gonna be wearing a lot, but I have to have options. Okay, so this first dress I have to keep because it was my graduation dress, and it's just like, this is me in a dress. Like, I just love it so much. I love the fit of it. I love the pink, the pastel, and it's so beautiful, so I have to keep this. And this next dress I have to keep because I actually made it at a sewing class. It's a Michaela original, literally. It's pretty cute considering I made it. Okay, this next one, I wore this to like a Christmas party and that's literally it. It's definitely not my favorite at all. Like, I don't want to keep this, but I'm thinking of like logistical reasons. Okay, I'm not gonna keep this just because I feel like I want to freshen up my closet. I feel like I could sell this. This one I actually bought. It's actually in a haul of mine and I thought it was so cute. I just love the like material and the color, and like, look at how cute that is. Like, if this was a t-shirt, I think it would be so cute. Yeah, but I just don't think I'm gonna wear it, but I'll definitely sell it. Okay, so this is what the sell pile looks like right now. This is what the donate pile looks like, and this is what the keep pile looks like. There's a lot. Try to be as ruthless as I could, but there were some things that like I feel like if I just cut them a little bit and altered them, which now I have time to do, that they would come out really nice, and I just want to give them one more shot. But there were some things that were really hard to let go, like these galaxy pants. They're so cute and I love them. They're so beautiful, but they're just really not warm inside, and I have so many warm like leggings, so I'm like, why would I wear those, you know, over something that's warm and cozy? But I feel like I did pretty good. So now we're going to be moving on to, I think like I'll do the entire upper section. So the entire upper section is pretty much just like crop sweatshirts and sweatshirts. Okay, so I might have underestimated how many clothes were in the top part of my closet. This is our pile now. The floor is empty. Yeah, this is a pretty thick pile, so this is gonna take a while. But yeah, I think that it's thicker because a lot of these are sweatshirts and those are just thicker, and yeah, that's kind of my only explanation. Let's start with these leggings. These are actually really cute, and I remember getting these, but I forget if they were too long or too short. These are really cute. I think I'll keep these because these are pretty warm, pretty nice. And then I'm definitely gonna keep these pink pants. I don't think I've ever worn them actually, but they're so, like, I love the way they fit on me, and I definitely want to wear them sometime. I have like a really hard time pairing really cute pants with shirts because I just don't have like shirts that match pants, so I don't really know, because a lot of my shirts are graphics and they can kind of clash. And then I have some like button-up shirts. I don't even know if like these fit me, but I'm just gonna keep them because it's good to have options. Oh, it's also super soft and fuzzy, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. These are some corduroy pants. They're dark blue, and I feel like this could make a really cute outfit, but I just have to kind of figure out how to style it. But I'll definitely keep these. These are some of my school pants, so I guess I'll keep these and I'll just shove it in my school drawer. Oh my gosh, this is a sweatshirt that I made. I remember this. It's actually really cute, but I didn't really like how it fit me. I'm gonna keep this, but just because I made it, but I'm not gonna like, I don't actually wear this or anything, so special pile. And this will wear to my confirmation, so I have to keep that. Oh, I remember this. I used to wear this all the time. This is so cute. I don't know. I don't want to, like, I love it. It's so cute, but I don't really wear it anymore. Yeah, I think I'll sell it. And I also have some other ones that I forgot to do because I literally am so messy and I just left them in this corner. You also might be wondering, why do I have the same belt here as the one I'm wearing in this video? And the answer to that is that this belt is from Walmart and then this belt is from Target, and this one just has a much thinner buckle, whereas this one's just a lot thicker because it's actually reversible and has this side. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be keeping all these. Yeah, so this is my Mario Kart sweatshirt. I love this. This is literally my favorite sweatshirt ever, and I love it because it has the checkerboard here, and then I just love Mario Kart. It's one of my favorite games ever. And then I also have this new sweatshirt that I recently just got for my birthday from Vans, and so it's super cute. Also has the checkerboard design on the side, but what I really like about this is that the checkerboard is actually holographic. You might not be able to see on camera because it's a cloudy day, and holographic works better in the sunlight, but it basically looks like these boots over here have this like iridescent rainbowy design. I love holographics, so I have so many things of that, but I just thought this was super cute, and I love the fit of this sweatshirt, so I'm definitely keeping this. And then these are my black leggings, and I have to keep these. These I literally wear every single day. And the last one is the striped sweater, and I actually haven't been wearing this recently except for like last month, because I wore this last month with one of my t-shirts and I really liked it, so I'm going to be keeping this. And it's just like such a cute like summertime sweater. Now the keep pile literally looks like a monster. Oh my gosh. This is the donut pile. This is the sell pile. So that is pretty much the end of the closet. This is what my closet looks like right now. It's literally so empty. Walking downtown. I feel like we're doing pretty good. I am done with my closet now, which is really nice, really fulfilling. And then now I just have to go to my two drawers. One of my drawers, this white one over here, I have pajamas and then my uniform stuff, and then that should be pretty easy because I'm not going to get rid of any uniform things. And then over here I have like shorts and then just some random things that I don't really wear, so I think it'll be a lot easier to declutter that than my closet, because my closet is really like the place that I wear a lot of those clothes. I also just realized I have to decide how I want to organize my closet when I'm putting all these back in, and then I also just remembered that I have to put everything back in my closet, and I don't want to do that. I hate putting things back in my closet. I hate it so much. But yeah, so now I'm gonna be moving on to these white drawers. Okay, so I originally filmed audio over these clips, but it was just really boring, and I was like, you guys don't care about these boring explanations. But yeah, so I got rid of most of them because they were small, because I literally haven't decluttered since 6th grade, but I kept these two last pajama pants because they're super comfy. Okay, so I decided in this video I'm going to be decluttering my shoes as well, because I always look at my shoes and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have so many shoes and I never wear them, and it makes me guilty to buy new shoes because I have so many shoes. So the first ones are these ones. These ones are so cute, and I wish that I could keep these, but they're just way too small and they hurt when I wear them, so I'm going to be getting rid of these. Okay, so these shoes are some of my favorites, oh my gosh, but I want to wear it so much more because they're so comfortable and so pretty in the summer. But yeah, there's these really cute sandals, and then these shoes, I'm going to keep these shoes because they're so cute, and then these shoes shoes I'm gonna keep. They have a little gold belt. But these ones I am not gonna keep. I remember in Five Below I saw these and I thought they were so cute because of the design, but they're just like hard to style. I literally don't think I've ever worn these ones. So then I'm gonna just be putting all my shoes in here just because it's an easy place to put them. I have some more shoes over here. So these ones I'm definitely gonna keep. I love these. These are literally my favorite shoes ever. Even though I need to wear them so much more, it's just I'm not a boots person, you know what I'm saying? Like I think they're so cute, but you guys get it. Like sneakers compared to boots, sneakers are just so much comfier and I'm such a comfy person, but these are so cute, so I definitely need to wear them more. These were my first holographic shoes and it's hard to like, because I don't want to give these up. They're so cute, but I don't think I would wear these anymore because A, I have my boots, which are just so much cuter, and then B, they're actually too small for me. So I think I'm gonna be finally parting with these. Oh my gosh, these are my Adidas shoes. I used to wear these so much. They're light pink, they're suede, but they're so dirty. And then even like, well, my dad tried cleaning them, they're still just so dirty. But also, okay, I'm not gonna lie, these were some of my most uncomfortable shoes ever. They're so dirty and I literally don't wear them, so I think I'm just gonna be getting rid of them. And then these Galaxy shoes, I've never worn these, but they're so cute. But see, that's the thing, pattern shoes are so hard to pull off, so I'm also gonna be getting rid of these. These black shoes are probably too small. Let me see, if they're small, I'll get rid of them. I love the black soles on them and I love how they're just like plain. Yeah, but they're definitely a little bit tight, so I'm gonna be getting rid of these too. These boots are so cute. I literally got them for $7, so I have to keep them because of that steal. These are cute, but I don't ever wear these. I think I'm gonna get rid of these because I'd rather get like Vans if I wanted shoes like these. And then, oh, I remember these. These are kind of like some Converse looking things, but they're definitely not. They're cool because they're kind of like this nice floral design. So it's a pattern which can be hard to style, but it's a muted pattern, so it's not too bad. Now, are these small? Because if they're small, I might have to get rid of them. So they're kind of small, so I'm gonna be getting rid of these. Now I can move my boots up here. They have been wanting a shout out recently. Yeah, should I move them up there? I should probably move them up there. My holographic boots want a friend. I feel like they want a friend, you know, like if I'm feeling like a boots kind of time. Oh my gosh, and then I have these other boots that I have been wanting to wear more recently, and I think they're size 7. I have these, which I thought were so cute from Primark, but I've literally never worn them and they're really uncomfortable. I'm gonna be keeping these green shoes. They're really comfortable, really nice. And I'm gonna be putting these pink boots in the front, actually. I've been wanting to wear them recently, and they're size 7, so they're not too small, but they're like really cute, and I don't really wear them because they're always hidden back here. Now these, I definitely don't wear these anymore, so I'm gonna be getting rid of these. I want my holographic ones to be in like the middle, you know, like they're like a star. Put my black ones over here, and then my holographic ones in the middle because they are legends, and then I'll put these ones over here. That like just fits. Oh my gosh, I have so many shoes that I'm giving away. I'm actually kind of surprised. Okay, so I have my final dresser over here. There are quite a few drawers. I don't think there's that many clothes in there compared to my closet. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this is that if I'm keeping them, I'm just gonna be keeping them in the drawers because I'm way too lazy to put it out and take it out again. And if I want to sell it or donate it, I will take it out. So these were the two like pajama pants that are super cute that I would wear over the red ones, because look at this is just tie-dye. It's all my favorite colors, and then this really soft snowflake one that my mom and I have matching ones, so these are definitely gonna stay. Okay, so I just completely cleaned out these drawers. They're a lot cleaner now. If you saw the time lapse before, every single drawer was super filled. So now I just have some jeans and jeans shorts and leggings that I really like. And then I just have some like comfy PJs and like some sweatpants. And fun fact, I only have one pair of sweatpants because I literally never wear sweatpants. And then this drawer is just some like sweaters that aren't like my favorite stylistically, except for this one. This one's pretty cute. And then this drawer is the one that's jam-packed with just like all those t-shirts from schools and like events that you were a part of and stuff, but you just would never actually wear. And then all the stuff over here is just stuff that I've made. So I made this, that, and I wouldn't actually wear them, but it's just, I have to keep them because I made them, you know. And also look at the sell pile grew so much after doing that. Look at that, I'm so proud of myself. So I have one more section to kind of clean. So these, I know that I'm not going to be keeping any of these because I decluttered them when I was doing a trying everything in my closet video, but I just want to put them in new piles. Okay, so we are at our last bag of clothing. I'm so excited. This has taken so long and oh my gosh, I'm just so tired. I know that I don't want to keep any of the things in here because I already kind of went through these clothes a couple months ago in the summer. Now I'm just going to be choosing if I want to sell them or donate them. So this is the final product of the donate pile. It's actually pretty big. I'm really proud of myself. This is obviously the keep pile. It's huge, but I mean, these combined is like pretty good. And then this is the sell pile, pretty big. I don't know if I'll ever be able to sell all this, so I'm just going to donate. But yeah, and then also these are the shoes. I have a lot of shoes that I'm giving away. And I'm gonna be putting all this stuff back in my closet. Oh, and I'm gonna be probably color coordinating it, just trying something new, see if like that inspires me to pick out outfits and stuff. But I'm not gonna be putting that footage in this video because I feel like this video is already gonna be so long. So if you want to see that footage, make sure you check out my week in the life vlog, which is going to be coming out I think the day after this video. So if you want to see that, check out that video. I'll link it in the cards. So that's pretty much the end of this extreme closet clean out. It was so much fun to film and I just feel so peaceful and like just good. There's a lot of clothes here that I just was sick of seeing in my closet and I'm really excited for a fresh new start and just having a more curated collection. And I hope that this inspired you to clean out your closet if you've been needing to. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and put in my post notifications. It just notifies you every time I upload a video. And also make sure to give this video a like. Let's try to get it to 50 likes. And make sure to follow my Instagram and Snapchat. It's a super fun time on there. And I'll see you guys in my next video.